Good morning, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Yachts on board the all-new 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard. This is a world debut for us here at MarineMax Clearwater. We've actually never seen this boat on the west coast of Florida. First thing you're going to notice, this boat is powered by triple 350 Mercury Verados. That's 1,050 horsepower pushing this sled. Oh my gosh. Come on, take a step aboard. First thing you're going to notice on the starboard side is a really innovative idea. Fold down swim patio, really great for kids to be able to get access to water. It just opens up so much more deck space. Massive sun pad across the aft deck. With one lever, we can simply turn it facing starboard. Ton of space in here, ton of storage. First thing you're going to notice on the port side is large seating. You're probably, half a dozen people here comfortably. Massive sunshade, really kind of keeping, the temperature down a little bit in the cockpit. On the wet bar side, we're gonna have sink, double grills, fridge, trash can. We even have a wine cooler on board this one. I mean, you really have all the amenities of home. More seating. Port side seat does flip around, so you can have more seating over here. At the helm, we have companion seating as well. You're going to notice blue LEDs all around the boat. Simrad electronics, fully integrated boat. I don't want to use the term smart boat, but pretty much. Everything with the, from the lights to the fuel. You're going to have auto tabs as well. Also, we have joystick pilot on board this boat, which basically means docking has become a problem of the past. Automatically, you're going to have autopilot incorporated. You're automatically going to have your skyhook feature, which is your hover mode, I like to say, which will hold your boat in about a 1 meter radius, regardless of wind or current. So you can, run the boat yourself and do your lines and your fenders to kind of make it easy for one person to handle it. You're going to notice we chose the opening option on the hardtop here. Kind of really nice, opens up on a nice cool day. So the big thing about this boat as well is the port side walkthrough instead of the center walkthrough. And what that does is it opens up a large amount of space for the downstairs. So 2 berths down there, not just one. We're going to hit that in a minute. We're going to run forward. Very high gunnels here. So kids, very comfortable to have them walk around the boat while you're underway. The first thing you're going to notice about the bow section is just the seating layout. So right here, you're going to see that there's actually 3 separated seats forward facing, but you're not in the way of the helm. The captain can see comfortably. We have mounts for tables, additional seating, as well as a forward shade for when you're anchored out at the island and you want to keep the temperature down a little bit. One-piece windshield. Amazing look. So we're going to take a look downstairs. Real quickly, I'm going to point out 4G radar on top of the hardtop. So downstairs, really what you're going to notice is this is, the day boat of day boats. But if you wanted to weekend, if you wanted to do a trip, you can. A family, comfortably. You're going to have a forward V-berth. We already have the table in the downward position, so it's set up so you can actually go down there and see what it looks like. Non-skid on the steps, of course. A lot of space down there, very comfortable, for a family, a couple kids to get out of the sun, air conditioned, 32-inch screen TV, as well as a refrigerator, microwave. Aft, you're going to see twin seating back there, so a couple back there, a couple kids very comfortably could spend the night. You also have a full head compartment on the starboard side, vacuum flush head, very well appointed colors we chose on this one. So once again, this boat's debut for us here at MarineMax Clearwater. We're probably not going to have it all too long, so come on down, take a look at it, take a step on board. Patrick Rourke, MarineMax Yachts on board the all-new 2019 Sea Ray 400 SLX Outboard. Talk to y'all soon.